Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get rid of the lock on PlayStation 5 games. First, let's ensure your console is correctly configured. You'll want to make sure your PlayStation 5 is activated as your primary console. This is a crucial step for accessing your digital content. Next, navigate to the settings and restore your game licenses. This process usually takes only a few moments and can resolve many common issues. Finally, double-check that any necessary subscriptions, like PlayStation Plus, are active. Now, let's dive deeper into license verification. It's important to confirm that the game in question was purchased or acquired using the PlayStation Network account you are currently signed into. Sometimes, a simple account mismatch can cause the lock icon to appear. Also, take a moment to check the PlayStation Network's official status page for any widespread service issues that might be affecting game access. If you're game sharing, ensure the account that originally bought the game remains active on your console. If the lock persists, let's try some general troubleshooting. A full restart of your PlayStation 5 console can often clear up temporary glitches. Simply turn it off completely and then power it back on after about 30 seconds. Similarly, power cycling your internet router and modem can refresh your network connection, which is vital for license verification. For more stubborn issues, consider rebuilding your console's database from safe mode. This process optimizes your system files without deleting your games. If you've tried all these steps and the game lock remains, it's time to reach out to PlayStation support. They have access to your account details and can investigate specific licensing issues. Be prepared to provide them with your PlayStation Network ID and information about the locked game. Additionally, checking official game forums or community pages can sometimes reveal specific solutions or known issues related to a particular title. Remember, patience is key when resolving these kinds of technical challenges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.